how we got IC Telecom to rank number 1 on Google for 53% of their targeted keywords like marine star Thuraya, ship satellite communication, marine satellite communications, and satellite line account management. We registered a whopping 60.5% increase in organic traffic to the website in just 1 month, and till date we have taken their organic traffic from just 490 1 year ago to 19,000, and their mobile traffic from 300 to 20,000 per month. We generate 5,000 clicks and over 360,000 impressions every month, and in the last 6 months, the domain authority of the website has gone from 15 all the way to 45. The page load speed has decreased to under 2.7 seconds, and the health score of the site has gone up from 65 all the way to 99%. So if you are looking for a result-driven SEO agency, then you need to know